Scientist. Eyes and ears up here. Okay. You are a scientist. Everybody's a scientist, right? Yeah. All right. Who remembers what we talked about all last week? Our 5, Andrew?
Senses.
Our 5 senses. Very good. Who can tell me one sense that we have? Right? Joe.
Touching.
Touch. Very good. What can you describe what something might feel like? Like maybe what did your pumpkins feel like?
Hard.
Joe, do you remember what your pumpkins felt like?
Hard.
Hard. Maybe smooth. Whose pumpkin felt smooth? Raise your hand if you had a smooth pumpkin.
I have kind of feeling.
Yeah, so touch. Who can tell me another one? We have touch. Annie?
Eyes.
What do our eyes do? See. So sight.
Light.
Very good. Cadence, what's another one? Taste. And who can raise their hand and tell me what is on their tongue that makes us be able to taste? Remember, there's a lot of little dots all over our tongue. What are all those little bumps all over our tongue? What are they called that make us taste? Evan? Taste buds. And are our taste buds always changing?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're always changing. Okay, we have touch, sight, taste. What else do we have? Addison? Hearing. Very good. What were some of the noises we heard when we were at the pumpkin patch? Allison? Who makes that noise? The chickens. We heard the chickens. What else did you hear? Liam? Quiet. Let's listen to Liam. Lots of noise. Like what?
Talking noise.
Talking noise. Okay, what's our final sense? We're missing just one more. John?
Smell.
Smell.
I know.
Very good. Okay, now this is just a little review. Brennan. Now that was our review from last week, so we're going to move into something new, but we're going to make sure we still use all our 5 senses, okay, when we work on our next science project, all right? Now, as scientists, do we make predictions?
Yeah.
Raise your hand if we make predictions. Yeah, Cole, I think your hand should be up. So we make predictions all the time. So we're going to think of something. We're going to develop a question. I have a leaf right here. What color is my leaf? Tommy? Green. I have another leaf. You raise your hand and tell me what color this leaf is. That's a little bit better. Joe?
Yellow.
Yellow. Are they both leaves?
Yeah.
So why is one yellow? Why are some orange? Why are some red and purple?
Nope.
Who can? Cole, one more time and you can move up. Do we shout out? No. Tommy, why do you think the leaves change colors?
Because like every type of plant, they change colors.
Okay. So when the seasons change, the leaves start to change colors. But why? Eva, do you know why?
Because that's the color that God makes them.
That's the color that God makes them. Okay. Maggie, what do you think?
I think the same thing as
Is God made them that way? Now, what we're doing right here, boys and girls, as scientists, we think of a question, okay? And our question is, why do the leaves change colors? Okay? Then the next thing we do is we make a prediction, okay? So we think of a way why, just like the answers that we received, what Tommy, Eva, and Maggie said, we make a prediction of why we think the leaves change colors. Do I have any more predictions? They do it all the time, but why? Sammy, what do you think?
Because I started to get, because the leaves are starting to fall.
The leaves are starting to fall. Addison, what's your prediction? Isabella? Hold. Stand up. Sit on your seat. So it's fall. John, what's your prediction? It's a tough question, isn't it? Have you ever thought about this question?
No.
It kind of just happens, doesn't it? Okay, well, so we did the first 2 steps of being a scientist. We asked a question. One more time, we asked a
Question.
Okay, then second, we made a
Prediction.
Oh, you can be louder than that. We made a
Prediction.
Oh my goodness. I thought you guys were falling asleep on me.
No.
Oh, yikes. We still have a lot left. Okay, so we asked the questions and we made a prediction. So those are our first 2 steps of being a scientist. Now, what I'm going to do is each table is going to get a green leaf and like a yellow leaf, okay? I want you to use your 5 senses. I want you to touch the leaf, look at the leaf. You can see there's veins on the leaf, the different colors. Now, I don't want you to taste the leaf. Because do we eat leaves?
No.
No. Only if we're animals. And we're not animals. Okay? So you can hear it. If you crinkle it a little, it makes a certain noise. Smell it. They smell like leaves. Don't smell too bad. You can touch them, see how they feel. This side's smooth. This side's kind of bumpy with all those little veins on there. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can look at it. Look really closely at it, okay? So you're going to kind of ponder and predict why these leaves change colors, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to hand each of you a piece of paper, and I need you to write the words. What word is that? Everybody. Then you're going to write the word. And this word is predict. Very good. So you're going to write at the top of the paper, I predict. And then, just wait, I'll get there. You're going to draw the leaves that you're looking at and feeling, okay? Now be very detailed in this. I don't want to see a leaf that just kind of looks like that. Because if you look really closely, I see there's like veins kind of going on it.
Yeah.
Okay? And this has yellows and browns in it. This is green. This is turning a little yellow on the side. This has 2 leaves. All right? I want you guys to really work hard on these drawings. Now, when you write the words, I predict at the top of your paper. Mrs. Funky and I are going to come around and we're going to write what your prediction is. Okay? So this is the first step of being a scientist. On Thursday, we're going to do a little experiment to find out why these leaves change colors, okay? Okay, Liam, what do you predict?
They change colors?
But why do they change colors?
Because they're getting older and older and older.
Okay, so I predict the leaves change colors because they are getting older. Perfect.
You have to put it down on the bottom of my word.
Yeah?
What's a green one?
Yes.
It shows yellow. Start writing
Picture it when you're done, you put it back in the